What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is ASA Studio channel for music producers and photographers. Today we're in Photoshop and we'll be doing some edits. And as you can see, we are editing photo of cute little baby. And I have so much work to do, and this is part of the job. So I thought about sharing how I'm going to do this. Now if you take a look at our ends, let's dive right into the tutorial. If you take a look at the baby's end, you can see that there's difference in color. From here it feels like kind of magenta-ish and purplish compared to the overall skin. We're also going to do some frequency separation and remove some some dead. So let's just dive right into what I'm going to do. I always use Capture One, so I've done this in Capture One, and I've actually blend the skin tones using some hue uniformity and hue saturation. So if you kind of want that, I can actually send you the make a tutorial concerning that one. For now, I just want to focus on the frequency separation aspect. So let's get right into it. I'm going to turn this off, and you're going to see the changes we made through Capture One. So from this to this, now you can see how uniform the finger is. So the only thing we're going to be doing now is just the frequency separation. So let's dive right into how I'm going to do this. I'm just going to get rid of this layer, and then I'm going to open this layer and hit Ctrl J twice. So I name this one color, name this one texture. So now we're going to turn on the texture layer and click on the color layer, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and that seems fine to me. I'm just going to blur it a little bit, then click on OK. Okay, let's undo that and do it again. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and take it back just somewhere around here. Looks fine. Click on OK. So let's turn on the texture layer, go to image, apply image, and click on, for the layer, select color. For the blending mode, select subtract. And we have succeeded in separating the texture and the color. So change it to linear light. And so this is what I'm actually going to do. For the texture layer, we're using the clone stamp tool. For the color layer, we're using the mixer tool brush. But I don't think we need to blend anything else because we've actually blend the skin tone with Capture One. So we're just going to be doing some just working on the texture. So I'm going to zoom in, and then I'm just going to sample an area with Alt, holding that Alt, and then I'm going to click on to fix the photo, just like that, as you can see. But we're still going to do some correction on the color. So hold down Alt and sample, and then you click. So you can see actually fix that. So I'm just gonna fix all. Alright, so I'm through with the frequency and working on the texture, and I'm just going to group them so we can see the before and after. So let's group them together, and you can see the before and after, just little changes on the head. So let's work on the color layer using the mixer tool brush, and I will show you where I'm just going to blend a little. You can see over here, this place actually need some blending. So I'm just going to draw it together, and also the cheek. So I'm also going to blend just some parts of the image, just like so. And remember to actually try to keep it real. So we're going to keep on doing that till we get the perfect image. Alright, so I've ended up blending everything together. So this is what we have from our before and then from our after, using frequency separation. And you can see how uniform and wonderful how everything looks. So alright, so let's bring up the exposure adjustment layer. For this photo, I don't want to do any color grading. I just want to make the balance the exposure. So I'm going to turn on this, turn it up a little bit, to create some stunning look, just like so. And I'm going to turn it off so we can see our before and then our after. Just makes the image a little bit defined. Alright, so this is where we're going to end the tutorial. This is just frequency separation, and more tutorials like this will be coming in. If you enjoyed the tutorial and find it helpful in the aspect of frequency separation and color balance, don't forget to smash the like button and turn on the notification button. Also smash the notification button if you want to get updated when we post new photos. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Alright, see you in the next video.